Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at Uno Baby Animals. This is from 2017 from Mattel. These are still available as far as I know. It's aimed at ages 7 and up, 2 to 10 players, and it's an interesting variation on the Uno cards because you got baby animals and they're all fuzzy and adorable. There's only 108 cards in here. One of the other sets we looked at, the regular Uno, had 112. So there is a slight difference in the game. I think some of the special cards from the regular Uno one, like the swap hands, isn't in here. But we'll find out in a few minutes. So we get the cards and the instruction sheet. This is put out by Mattel, and it does have this kind of like 80s flair to it, this coloring. So kind of neat. So let's take these out, see what we've got in the package, and see how they look. Alright, so here is our instructions. Pretty straightforward. It's got pictures of the cards. Tells you what they are, what they do, how to score, etc. The instructions are in English and Spanish. So there is that as well. So let's get the instructions out of the way. And we'll take a look at our cards. Alright, so the backs of the cards look a lot like the box design. It's kind of cool. Obviously, you won't be confusing these with the regular Uno deck, so it'll be easy to sort them out if kids get them messed up. Plus, there are adorable animals on them. Bunnies with mustaches. Alright, that's the first half. Let's look at the other deck thing here. And finally, now the fact that these are black border is actually a little bit of a hindrance to them because they will get scuffed up real easily and you'll see little white cracks in the inking. That's just from shuffling usually, but it'll happen pretty easily. It's kind of already happening here. Not too big of a deal, but if you're real particular about your cards, you'll want to be aware of that when you're buying these kind of cards. But overall, the card quality is really nice. These are pretty high quality cards. Alright, that's what's inside the Uno Baby Animals set from Mattel. Aimed at ages 7 and up, 2 to 10 players. The cards are nice quality. The images are super cute and adorable. And this is the 2017 set, so I don't think they've made any different ones since then, but this is definitely worth the money. The only difference seems to be the swap your hand cards and the blank wild cards are not included here. And I don't think that's a big deal because these have the fuzzy little animals. That's really the selling point, is the imagery here. And I do like this set. Like I said, the cards are worth the money. They are decent quality. And it's definitely worth checking out if you're a big Uno collector or you just like cute fuzzy animals. And if you've got kids that like playing Uno, this is a really good set. So if you see it, it might be worth picking up. But that's just my take on it. We've seen the cards. You heard what I thought. So that's going to wrap this one up. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description and on the About page. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.